Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil here. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to use OnlineGDB. So to do that, you need to go to this link over here. I'll keep this link in the description, and then you need to select a language. I'm just selecting C over here. Now I'm clicking on this run button. Now as you can see, here's the output, and we can select any other language. Here we have plenty of languages. So this is how you can use OnlineGDB, and there is no need to install any of the compilers in your computer to use these languages. So this is the big advantage that you have with this OnlineGDB. So that's all guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Subscribe if you like to watch more videos like this. If you like this video, click the like button, and thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.